Just need some help. Just need some help. Please. Thanks.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome again, Unstoppable family. Boy, may I tell you people, it is sad just to watch this single mother of 5 breakdown in this emotional video. Now people, as you know, during this time, this pandemic time, a lot of people struggling. But can you just imagine how much a mother with 5 children struggling in this time right now with nowhere to turn? And that is what this mother is going through. People, we have the emotional video for you to take a look at. But before that, I want to highlight a Jamaican that is doing great things. Because when I say Jamaican doing great things, we have to highlight it. And not just the negative, like what we see a lot of people do on social media. Now this lady that I'm talking about is none other than K Maraj. K has been running for mayor in Palm Bay. And people, I had the honor of, having an interview with K Maraj a few weeks ago on the Unstoppable Live program. And people, it was great. Now there is an honor of Jamaican greatness, a celebration of Jamaican greatness, a concert that is going to be held in honor of K Maraj. Check out the promo video.
Denmark Production presents Entertaining History, a celebration of Jamaican achievement. Sunday, October 25, 2020, streaming live on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube from the exquisite Eden Science Villa at the seaside in Ocho Rios, St. Ann, Jamaica, at 5 p.m. Jamaica time, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Pre-show at 4:30 p.m. Jamaica time, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, featuring reggae icon Tanzil.
Enough to love you when you're here with me, and love you when you're gone to another girl's arms.
Rising reggae rock star Abby Dallas.
No matter if you have the clue, woman you can't hold a man if he's just not into you.
Touring reggae group Live Wire.
Although you never love again, I am here to be your friend.
Gospel crooner Mark Johnson.
Life can be beautiful. It doesn't have to be this way. Hear what I say, hear what I say.
The belly busting hilarious Grandpa Entertainment.
All me know, every route have a frozen taxi man. Every route have a frozen taxi man, now that me understand.
And Wave Maker Bank manager and artist Don Reed.
Poverty was my reality. Rejection a part of my history. Never seen no papa, never know me mommy.
MC, comedian superstar Christopher Johnny Daly. And on your wheels of steel, ZJ Bambino. It's a musical celebration for Jamaica's own K Maraj, a strong black woman who's great in Caribbean history in Palm Bay City, Florida, USA. Entertaining history, a celebration of Jamaican achievement.
Oh, you mean? We definitely have to celebrate Jamaican achievement. When we see Jamaican achieving great things, we definitely have to celebrate them. And K, congratulations, because we know you're going to win. Now, Jamaicans, remember, go out and vote for K Maraj. She a Jamaican, just like me and you. Alright? Now, people, let's get into this video, what we are talking about. Now, you know, say, this whole COVID thing cause school not to keep, right? Or school have to keep online. Now, not everybody can afford the things that is needed for online schooling. Now, this mother have it hard. People, take a listen.
Good morning, Jamaica. Government ministers, everybody, education minister especially. Why? I don't know if we start, but a whole heap we have to talk about. Me have to say. I'm a mother of 5 children. The oldest one, she's a girl, it's a girl, 16 years old. The second one, boy, 12. The third one, boy, 10. Well, this month, in my level. The fourth one, girl, 7 years old. And the fifth one, she a 3-year-old. Maybe gonna understand me now. Please. I never want them know say me I make this a video, yeah. If them even find out after, but I don't want them know say me I make a video now. Understand now. I have one phone, I have one device, I have one. And I have money if you go buy one other one. And I say if I get the money, I will do it. But I not get it, I not have it. I want one more phone or one tablet or so if you give me pitney them, if you do them class or them schoolwork and them Zoom business and them Zoom that. Listen to me. And even so, if I do get the phone or the tablet if you do it, where me get internet from? Me not have money for buy data, for buy service, for last them at least 1, 2 or 3 days, more over 6, 5 and 6 days. What's the beginning is you download the Zoom. And you go up and if you do one classwork or what, Zoom now have all of the data. On top of my personal text that I can't even get through with. Listen, 2 of them are go in it Bennett High School. The big girl have fear phone. She use it on the fear one, but she can't hardly find the money to give her to buy the credit too. We put on the data. And the other 3 of them, grade 7, the one we go in next one we go in it Bennett. I'm in grade 7. When me go so download the Zoom on my phone and access it and them something there. How comes me I get for deal with the other 2 them we are the same thing, same procedure me have to do for get through for them one. And when him a do in classwork, the other 2 them are go left behind because me not have another device for give them for do them for them work. You don't understand me and me alone with me 5 pitney them. One of the father them barely help me take care of the children them and the baby because she the last one a feed on that one. The other rest them not feed him. And he might help me give me when he can. He never give me money and say a fishy specifically. You understand? And me not have no help with the other rest of them daddy. Government do not understand me. We cannot beat this thing. We know not try not do no work and I have high blood pressure. A week before last I got a doctor. I got a clinic and then prescribe a medication for me. Jesus Christ. We cannot beat this thing. Me not have no money. We never get. Look, for how long we no promise we look up tablet them for pitney. When it makes sense, You know, I tell yourself if we do this and do that for them one time. We don't help with them the way there. We go town alone, we not go give people them the tablet them. Depending them the tablet them we have it up, we have more. I don't even know what to say. Them picking through with the back of bush, you don't remember we one. We had 3 pitting them. We had 2 of them, 3 of them we figure up on the tablet. If we get the information from school and so forth, them are going left behind because one phone cannot do everything. Last time my phone crashed. My phone crashed, when the COVID just come out because I get group work from, because my dad never have no phone yet, so I get group work from Fia grade 9 class. I get group work from my boy grade 6 class, for me other little boy grade 3 class, and for me other little girl grade 2 class. My phone run up, my phone bank up, it crash, it just mash up because I peer message are come in. And not to help the people them would have understand. So listen to me. If a group work when I deal with pan the phone, them are just group work when I cannot have no personal conversation pan the phone, pan the group. Or if you don't want to have a personal conversation with persons from the group, contact them pan them number. Government, listen. I want the world to know this. Me just cannot manage no more. Me no. Una tell me say we fit do we thing, do what we have to do. Do what we have to do. Una tell me that, you know. Una tell me say we fit do it because if we them married and we have to do what we have to do. Me know I do no job. But if me figure a doctor right now, doctor tell me say me feel easy this and me not fit do this and me not fit that. Because them a do their job. So what me fit do? And me no want dead left me picking them. No. Me no want dead left me picking them. You don't understand. Right now me no go want them to say me I do this. I just feel shame, me I cry in front of them. I can't help them the way they want the help. And my daughter is a very bright girl. She come first in her class in the last exam. I don't want she lose. I want she to go more, I want she to go far. Because I never finish school. Me never finish school. And a financial situation where I never finish school. And I'm pregnant and drop out of school. Good God, do not have mercy upon me. Please. Anybody can tell me out of that situation, and please, maybe gonna phone no help. They say the Wi-Fi we are run boy, a $15,500 fee install device in the house and them something, and after the first month of getting the device at $3,500 every month after. How me fi manage that? When me get $15,500 to pay. When me pick them and look for me for something to eat. Just don't know how to do. Nah, mash you more, COVID mash you up, you know. I swear, you can't beat this thing. Not even America can beat it. Some of us want to force and a fight for. You can't beat it. Just, alright, since I was not give you the book them, I don't give you the book them, I don't tell yourself to do this and that. I could just teach it them where we can teach them. No force if you go get no tablet. A tablet as street of it. I live in the school, I sell them a sell tablet for 19,000. Where parents get 19,000 from to buy a tablet? Even if one or two can afford it, what about the other rest them? How then the people go survive? How them go manage? If you can't beat enough, fight it. Because this thing come to kill people. When the final COVID itself kill you. Or your pressure is send you up. I mean, now make it send up my pressure. Because I want to live to see me pitting them past 3 walls. Sorry. No, if you see me pitting them past 3 words. Please broadcast this. Come on, government for no say. And everybody have it in their life. I'm a poor mother with 5 children. Can't me opinion knows me I do this, I swear. COVID done mash up them brain already. I don't want them see me I do this. If they go break down more, how them break down. Please, anybody out there who can assist me and my 5 children, them, please. You know it's for me to find. We know it's for me to find me because I don't mention the school name already. I have Jibato Primary School, St. Catherine, Bagwag. I have Enid Bennett High School, Bagwag, St. Catherine, same way. Just need some help. Just need some help. Please. Thanks.
Boy, me I tell you, if anybody say them no feel it a while ago, just listening to that woman there, uno na no heart. You know, I mean, know someone who cool, I don't know care. But for the people who actually have a heart, for the people who care, this lady's contact information, her phone number will be down in the description of this video. Go down in the description, get her number, reach out to her, and give her any kind of assistance you can offer. I'm sure she will appreciate it. Alright? Viewers, start me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this one. See, I'll be looking out for your comment. And as long as your comment makes sense, I definitely will respond. Alright? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.